Hello and welcome to SISD TV News, where we deliver the latest news about the Socorro Independent School District. In our top story, Team SISD hosted a STEAM camp over the fall break at Escontrias STEAM Academy. Students interested in science, technology, and engineering had the opportunity to get more hands-on experience with activities and challenges such as building mini boats, air rockets, general dissections, and much more.
I think that during this STEM Academy, a lot of the students are potential future engineers. It's coming to fruition. They're coming in during their time, and I'm happy to give our time to actually have tomorrow's engineers today.
It's really awesome. It kind of reminds me of my younger self when I was at their age, and just they now have the amazing opportunity to actually start young in middle school and elementary school, go through middle school, and then just get more experience throughout high school. And it really prepares them for their future.
I liked dissecting the heart. We also extracted strawberry DNA. It was really fun.
Socorro ISD transportation employees were recognized during National School Bus Safety Week. Bus drivers, attendants, and mechanics were all acknowledged and treated with gifts.
We want to also highlight the people behind the bus safety, which is why we have so much appreciation for our drivers and all the individuals that play a role in the transportation process. Everybody has a part in it, and of course, them being there, doing this day in and day out is something that needs to be praised.
Like I keep telling all drivers and monitors, this is the best job I ever had because I've worked hard in my life, and it's never been so easy. And I'm glad to be part of the team, just to help, carry, just like the director said, our best cargo, which is the students.
SISD students teamed up to showcase their weather experiments and research at the KTSM Weather Fest at Ascarate Park. Schools across the region competed in this weather science fair, including 8 SISD schools from elementary to high school.
Just competing, fun, getting to get knowledge out there about the weather and anything weather related. So that was our main reason, just to bring light to what the students are doing.
We actually do have science fair, so I think this is kind of a preparation for that, to know what we need to work on. Mostly after COVID, I think a lot of people kind of shelled up, so I think this was us able to come out and present and kind of get that experience in front of a judge, like not our teacher, not our peers, someone we don't know.
Been a really fun experience coming over here, the excitement, the nervousness. It's just been a really exciting day.
Oh, super proud, and it's a very fun, important experience for them as well. And this is something that they can, take back to our campus and the learning experience as well. I'm super proud. It was a great experience for us all, definitely.
And then the series change.
Team SISD provided the Maintenance and Operations Department with work thermal coveralls for the district's grounds crew to help them stay warm and protected in harsh weather conditions.
Very important. A lot of times, the groundskeepers are usually working outside. They're always in the elements, whether it be the cold, the heat, the wind, the rain. So something like this is very special to them. I think that they're all very happy that they're receiving something from the district.
Every year, we make an effort to provide additional PPE that traditionally is not provided as part of their work tools, if you will. And now that the winter is coming our way, we thought that a coverall will be something that could probably be utilized. The intent is for them to be able to, while they're out in the elements, they'll be able to be protected.
Team SISD participated in Walk a Mile in Her Shoes at Southwest University Park. The event helps raise awareness for domestic violence and raise funds to support services for women and children with housing facilities. SISD was named the top team with the most members, raising over $34,000 for the YWCA's Sara Mcknight Transitional Living Center.
It shows, I think, the commitment. You know, the commitment from all the men out here, representing their schools, their departments across the district, but then everybody else, all the teachers, the staff members at the campuses and the different departments that really gave to a worthy cause. And I think it really shows we hit the mark. We went over the 30,000, so I think that shows the commitment that our staff have in supporting the women's shelter.
Three Socorro ISD educators were honored with the Arc of El Paso Everyday Heroes of IDD Award at the Starlight Event Center. SISD teachers Jackie Beltran, Veronica Razo Juarez, and Ana Stopyra were recognized for their exceptional work supporting students with intellectual and developmental disabilities.
Whenever a teacher is recognized for what they're doing over and beyond what is required in the classroom, it talks about the quality of the education program and the commitment of the people who work for the district.
I try to do the best work that I can with the students that I work with. I really don't expect any compensation, but it felt good to feel like somebody had looked at my work and they had appreciated.
I want to be that first initial positive experience, and I want them to have that initial love for school. That's my goal, for them to love coming to school every day, and also for the families to make it a positive experience for them.
It's a passion, just seeing them grow. I love that I'm working on everything, like academics, life, community, everything that goes on.
Having a child with special needs is hard enough, so if we can make it better for them in any way, that's my goal.
That's our show for today. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the latest in the Socorro Independent School District. Make sure to follow us on Twitter with the Twitter handle @SocorroISD. Follow our superintendent, Dr. Nate Carmen, with the Twitter handle @CarmenNate. Also be sure to friend us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Team SISD, and visit our website. Thank you again, and see you next time.